Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So recently I've been getting some requests to review some of the IEMs, so I decided to review these Blon BL03. So the box contents are already in front of you, very usual stuff. With this you also get this user manual which is printed in both Chinese and English. I recommend that you go through this manual at least once, especially this diagram that you're looking at. Apart from that, you also get this very good quality carry pouch. So let's start with the design and build quality. So when you will take these IEMs in your hand, the first thing you will notice is that they have a lot of weight to it. In fact, these are heaviest among all the other earphones that I have reviewed in the past. As far as the build materials are concerned, they definitely look very superior and very premium. The build materials are definitely very top notch, and these IEMs have some sort of a metallic finish to it, and the color that I'm having is gunmetal color. There is one more color option called which is available in I think white or silver, so you can go for that as well. If you will have a closer look at these IEMs, you will notice that the joints and the finishing of the IEMs is so perfect, it's hard to find any sort of imperfections. Although these IEMs have metallic finish to it, but it was surprising to see that this surface does not attract any sort of fingerprints. I think smartphone companies should take some inspiration from this material and try to implement that in the smartphones. You also get a detachable cable with these IEMs. The best part here is that as the cable is detachable, so once the cables get faulty you can order a new one. But the worst part here is that the cable gets tangled a lot. Although it's very lightweight, but no matter how carefully you keep them, no matter how carefully you wind them, you will end up getting these sort of knots which takes a lot of time to untangle. In order to get started, you first of all have to attach the cable to the earphone. So like I am holding the left earbud and this is the left cable that I am holding in my hand. Make sure that the cable, the L written on the cable is in the readable direction, or you can say readable position. So L should be in the readable position and you have to hold the earbud upside down, like the tip of the earphone should be downwards, and this is the correct way of attaching the cable to the earbud. The same thing goes with the right one. Hold the cable facing the alphabet R in the readable position, keep the earbud down, and that's how both the earbuds should look like after you attach the cable. So apart from that very impressive build quality, there are other factors that you should keep in mind if you're planning to buy these Blon BL03, which are more important than the design and premium build. So first of all, I want to show you that along with this package, I got this from Amazon. Along with the package, the seller has also sent me this carry case that was not the part of the original package, and also he has sent me this note. So this note is actually from the concept card, and what he says that, I just want to read one line to you. Even if you have a high quality piece of equipment, if the earphone does not seal well in your ear, you will end up losing isolation and a lot of clarity, particularly in the lower frequencies where the bass may really lose its punch. So when I began using these earphones, I plugged them in my ear, and my first experience was like the volume was very less than my expectations, bass was zero, and there was a lot of sound leak going on from the outside. So what I did was that I slightly pressed these IEMs more towards inside of my ear so that it goes deep in my ear canal, and after that I just realized that there was a lot of difference in the audio. I was getting slightly better bass, slightly more volume, and slightly better clarity as compared to the previous fit. If you look at these default ear tips that came along with these IEMs, so you will notice that the tips are very narrow and these are more conical in shape. So what I did was that I had a lot of ear tips already lying around with me, so I took out these ear tips which were actually from the Sound Magic E10C. You can already see that these are double layered ear tips, and somehow they fit very nicely with these Blon BL03. And after fitting these ear tips, my experience was completely different as compared to the default ear tips that came along with them. So now the audio review that I'm going to give you will be based after attaching these double layered silicone ear tips from Sound Magic E10C. So I'll first of all start with the bass. So first of all, these are not bass oriented IEMs, and overall I felt that the bass was pretty decent. It was not very boomy, neither very punchy, and you can't compare the bass of these with Sony. So Sony has a much higher bass as compared to these. In fact, if I compare them with my RHA MA390, so I'll just say that the RHA still have a better bass as compared to these, but in certain situations these sound slightly more better than all the other earphones that I have. If I talk about the flavor of sound, so I'll say that the overall sound coming out of these resemble more like the Sennheiser CX275S, especially the bass resembles very much like the CX275S. But when it comes to the mid frequencies and treble, or you can say the high frequency, so this is where these IEMs produce absolutely gorgeous sound as compared to any other earphone that I have in my stock. So the mid frequencies and high frequencies are very rich, very distinct. If you are listening to any song, all the musical instruments will be heard very clearly, and this is like one of the richest sound that I have ever came across. But the thing here is that in order to experience that richer sound, you need to purchase an extra pair of earbuds. That will definitely cost you some amount of money. So after investing like 2000 plus rupees on these IEMs, you need to invest a little bit more on the earbuds, ear tips I mean, and little bit more on the cable as well, because I watched some of the videos and people said that the cable that is coming along with these is also very poor. In fact, I didn't had major issue with the cable except from the tangling issue. But anyway, if you are willing to invest that much amount of money even after purchasing these, then and then only you should go for these. Overall, if you want to experience slightly better audio, you can tweak some changes in your equalizer. I will recommend that don't increase the bass too much, because that will definitely hamper your mid frequencies and high frequencies. So you can just slightly raise the slider on the bass and you will be able to get a very perfect sound. So this was all about the Blon BL03. There is too much hype about these IEMs, but that hype actually comes with ifs and buts. It comes with an extra investment. So make sure you read everything very carefully and go through many of the videos that are already available on YouTube. So that was all about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.